Right now, a massive emergency operation has just concluded in Hawaii after historic Kona floods paralyzed the islands. Welcome to Live Weather. Over the past 2 weeks, back-to-back Kona low storm systems dumped up to 40 inches of rain across the state. The sheer volume of water overwhelmed the steep volcanic terrain, triggering severe flash floods and massive mudslides that instantly cut off entire neighborhoods. The situation escalated so quickly that first responders were pushed to their absolute limits. Emergency crews have officially conducted over 200 high water rescues. Families were pulled from submerged vehicles, and helicopters had to airlift trapped residents directly from their flooded rooftops as rivers broke their banks. Entire communities were isolated by washed-out bridges, but amidst this billion-dollar disaster, there is an incredible piece of news. Despite over 200 emergency rescues in highly dangerous conditions, authorities are reporting zero fatalities. The floodwaters are receding, but a massive cleanup has just begun. Hit subscribe to Live Weather for factual, real-time updates on this recovery and extreme weather worldwide. Stay safe.